This is a video demonstration of how to repair the kickstand and credit card door on your Eclipse case. Oftentimes, we've all been guilty of it. We leave the door open after inserting our credit card and it gets bumped, and then it gets dislodged from the hinge so that it doesn't set properly when you close it back up. So the first thing you need to do is separate the inner liner from the outer case. And probably take your credit cards out first so they don't get in the way. The battery door hinge you can now view, and it will pop out. The way you put the door hinge in properly is you have to reach it in from the outside into the back side. And pop it in. You can see it's not real easy to do. I would suggest that you put the case sideways, and then you can find the hinge locations and they pop in, and then the door hinge pops in. Again, that hinge has to pop in from the inside. You can do it from this side as well. It grabs the two inside hinges and you pull it towards you to pop it in, and then the door hinge pops in. Then you can put the shell back together and pop your phone in. You can also put your phone into the TPU protective liner first and pop it in, but it's best to pop the liner in first and then put your phone in. If you have any other questions, please contact us at questions@cliffhanger.com.